Jai Bhim to all Dalit Bahujan friends and those who are really supporting the Dalit Bahujan issues on this webinar. When I joined in Delhi University, there was no actually any organization to voice for social justice. It was way back, 19 years before, down the line, what I'm trying to express. I don't take much time, but I will speak more concentratingly on how I was associated with and worked with, both, Hani Babu and many other, people who stood for social justice in the university system. Without repeating the points, what the other speakers, mentioned, like, university spaces are highly Brahminical. And that is where, we need to understand IFLU, because, even IFLU is highly Brahminical. And also, Delhi University, where we are from, his IFLU to Delhi University, and how he was continuously, fighting for, social justice is an important concern. And that is where my affiliation with him was pure. It's like reservations and roster system, number one, which he was very, relentlessly he was talking, and as he was filing RTIs, and he went to the court, as Sandeep was mentioning, and it is the complete denial of social justice was a major concern for Hani Babu. And it's a great support for me, people like me who are working in the university system, that a person like Hani Babu, who came to Delhi University, when I heard about him when he was in IFLU, but I never interacted with him. But when he came to Delhi University, we met and we interacted on the social justice issues. So we were continuously fighting for this, reservation issues and roster system, and more 4-year undergraduate program. We were very actively, mobilizing support to fight for, justice within the university system. And then lot of it, he's not only concerned for just only students or reservation. Even he was very actively helped, non-teaching staff. Those were not able to read rules, many of them. And he was continuously helping, that, okay, this is supposed to be like this, and your promotions are being stopped because of this, and, all kinds of, helping nature. He's a very, and he also taught many people that how to lead certain, struggles, like, social justice struggles. That is where, Sandeep was also mentioning about that. And issues like discrimination, he has a lot of write-ups. He has a lot of write-ups. Discrimination, exclusion in academic spaces. He used to, focus much on these issues. And he's a good human being. That's what, a sober person. If you meet him, you won't find any kind of, issues, with him. He stands for humanity. He stands for humanity. And a person like him who really helps a lot of students, young teachers, is very necessary in university system. That is where I see him as a good person who is a, who continuously, raised concerns on the social justice. And in fact, when he filed case against DU about OBC reservations, and we were, whenever we meet, we used to think that, okay, how to, procure information. So, and also after procuring information, filing complaints in SC commissions, in different issues, we filed complaint in SC commissions. So we used to go, so he separately used to go, I separately used to go. And we used to see that how, departments need to be corrected, on the reservations, issues. And then last couple of points which I would like to mention. As I said, why he's so important in academic spaces is that he tried to correct the the undemocratic attitude of the institutions. denial of social justice to the marginal group people in the university system. And his write-ups, I mean, I have gone through his write-ups. So very strong. What he communicates, a democratic spirit and the human rights discourse. These are the basic, spirit which he has whenever he writes, whenever he argues, whenever he speaks. And that is where, we need to cherish about his, write-ups, about his social justice activities. Hence, he is a great contributor for Dalit Bahujan concerns. I mean, I somewhere feel that what happened to these Dalit Bahujans? Though many people are organizing, coming, of course, this front itself is a Dalit Bahujan front which is organizing, but it should have been more. That I feel. And then, finally, we have time concerned. I know that. I mean, many things which Sandeep mentioned, which I don't want because, a collective struggle for 200-point roster, many things which I don't want to, cover. But, finally, what I request the state, please try to understand the space that Hani Babu provided in the university system. I'm working on discrimination things, for the past 20 years. And I have seen that how Dalit boys and girls, Bahujan boys and girls are being humiliated by this, Brahminical system. So someone like Hani Babu, or there are many other professors, both progressive in nature and also Dalit Bahujan, people who are continuously, questioning these kind of, discriminative attitudes. And Hani Babu is one person who stands in front row to question such kind of things. And, if you're putting, Hani Babu into jail, you are putting social justice in jail. So that's where I think, state must realize if you are committed for social justice, if you're committed for Dalit Bahujan cause, you are not putting Hani Babu in jail, but you are putting social justice in jail. You're putting, democratic values in jail. So my request to the Indian state, please try to understand the background of his struggle. Social justice is his, a basic concern. Please release him. And, I hope the state will certainly, at one point of time, it will realize the value of social justice. And we have to, stand together in the process of fighting for social justice and also releasing Hani Babu. Thank you very much, Vinayakala, for giving me this opportunity. Jai Bhim once again.
Thank you, Professor Sukumar. Thank you for providing such critical insights and for pointing out how many more need to join this front to free Dr. Babu. I think our strengths are not enough and we need to increase our numbers. I hope enough number of people are moved by the fact that our social justice is jailed, our democratic ideas are jailed when people like Hani Babu are in jail. Thank you so much, Professor.
Yeah.
We go to the next speaker.
Thank you so much, Professor Sukumar. You have rightly pointed out you're requesting the state saying that please release Hani Babu. We from all the Dalit Bahujans request the states to release Hani Babu. The way he has been, kept in jail, it is not he. You correctly pointed out that social justice has been, today it was in jail. What will happen to the constitutional, what will happen to the constitution if today Babu is kept in jail? Please, from Dalit Bahujan for Hani Babu, we request the states to release him at the earliest. We want our teacher back to the department.